All right, we're here at the West Parkade, and before we lose it, we're gonna ride it. This is the West Parkade Elevator at Chinook Centre in Calgary, Alberta. Look at that. ADA compliant phone literally has been popped on. It looks like the door there has been missing for a while. They actually fixed the chimes. That's first. Door close button does not work on Schindler's. Schindler logo. Here we are at P1, otherwise known as the main mall, by the way. Going back down to 3. Nice leveling. There it goes, and that's it. As you can see, this mall here has been renovated. Stores are not open yet, but this is in the early morning. Okay, that's it.